Peace Divines! Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And I welcome you to join the Montauk Avenue family and to share, like, and consider subscribing so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am going to make a juice, but we're gonna juice it and then we're gonna blend it really quickly. And I'm making a cacao pear juice. So let's get into this lovely juice. Okay, so I am going to be using my Nama J2 juicer, and the ingredients that I'm going to be using today is I'm using pears, and I will leave the ingredients in the description, of course. And I'm going to be using, right here it's about 6 pears. In this recipe you can use four pears, 4 to 6 pears. I'm also going to be using some cinnamon because I love cinnamon. I love me some cinnamon. And I'm going to use cacao. I love cacao, you know. I love cacao. You know, I've been giving this to my son ever since he was little. I just love cacao, okay? I know that it definitely it's considered one of the highest food sources of magnesium. So that's really good because magnesium helps with the absorption of calcium. So that's really good. And, you know, this recipe calls for some vanilla extract, but we'll just act like this is vanilla extract for the video. So you'll see me going like that. Okay, so let's make our lovely juice. Alright, so when you're using your fruit in the pears in the Nama J2 juicer, you want to take the core out. Well, that's what the instruction says. So, and we are going to put our lovely fruit, and there goes Cooper. Wish out, Cooper. I can't show you guys, but I'll show you guys Cooper at the end of the video, I promise. This video, because I promise, I'll show him at the end of the video. Wish out, Cooper. Alright, so we are just going to load this up, and we're going to make some lovely pear juice. And I hope my divines are doing well. I think all of this will fit perfectly. Okay, it all fits, and we are going to juice these lovely pears up. Okay, and it looks like our pear juice is done. So let's see how many ounces. I'm thinking this is probably going to be about maybe like 16 ounces. Okay, so we're forgetting pear juice comes out so smooth in the Nama J2. Just so smooth and silky. Okay, it was just about, it was 15 ounces. Alright, so I am going to now put it into the blender. And I am going to take the cacao, and again I will leave the amounts in the description. I'm just going to put, you know, we eyeball it over here at Montauk Avenue, okay? So I'm just going to just put like a little dash of cinnamon. And remember, we are going to pretend like this is vanilla extract. So you're going to put our vanilla extract in, okay? Alright, and so I'm not going to put any ice in here because I'll put ice into the cup that I'm using. Now we are going to blend this up. Okay, we have finished blending up our lovely cacao pear juice, and right away I smell the sweetness of the cacao, and cacao complements pear very well. It's a beautiful complement to each other, most definitely. and I put some ice into my lovely big cup. Okay, let's pour it. And it's very smooth and creamy. And of course, as I always say, you can adjust your juices in your smoothie to your interest. And yeah, so again, the cacao, I smell the cacao dominates. It's like this very, fudge-like smell. And yeah, so let's try it. It's so good. Oh my God. This is so good. I'm telling you guys. Please, this is one of the best ones, okay? Please consider making this, especially, on a nice relaxed day. Especially if you love, chocolatey and fudgy like stuff. I'm telling you, make this is so good, and the kids will love this so much. My son, he's always loved chocolatey stuff, so I know he's going to love this. And yeah, so I'm so grateful. As always, I love my divines, and I am going to enjoy this. And as always, continue to be blessed and continue to be abundant and continue to be true to yourself. Peace, divines. Oh my God, this is so good. Wow. This is so good. Say hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Cooper, say hi. Cooper, say hi. Say hi to the people. Oh, you give me kisses. I know.